Welcome back. A petrol pump in Dhuler, Mapsa caught fire on Monday. The tanker was totally gutted in fire while a car was partially damaged. Mapsa Fire Brigade personnel brought the fire under control almost after 2 hours. A spark in the petrol tanker is suspected as the reason behind the incident.
Have a look at these visuals. The incident occurred on Monday afternoon at petrol pump in Dhuler, Mapsa. A petrol tanker caught fire, leaving the petrol pump damaged. A car registered with Maharashtra government was also partially damaged. It took almost 2 hours for the fire brigade officials to control the fire. They had to use around 8 fire tenders to control the fire. We spoke with the senior station fire officer Dattaram Redkar. He informed us that the estimated loss is to the tune of 15 lakhs.
त्यांना एक टँकर पेट्रोल खाली करतलो टँकर एक जवळजवळ 12,000 लिटराचो टँकर तो दुसऱ्या टँकेत खाली करतलो आणि इतले कितें स्पार्क जावन कितें तरी जावन ताका उजो पेटलो. ताका उजो पडटकूच कंप्लीट पेट्रोल पंपाक उजो पेटलो आणि देखीक एक तेजी शेड आसली शेडीक उजो पेटलो आणि जवळजवळ भयंकर व्हडलो उजो पेटलो आणि टायराचे 2-3 टायराचे 2 स्फोट जाले. स्फोट जातकूच आमी पणजीसून आनी 3 गाडी मागले आणि बिचोलची एक गाडी आणि पेडण्याची 2 गाडी टोटल 8 गाडीने आमी फायर कंट्रोल केलो.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Election Commission has adjourned the hearing on the petition against the BJP and Friends of Good Governance till 2nd March. The respondent, BJP and the FOG, have to reply to the petition filed by the Congress party. Congress has charged an NGO, FOG, for releasing advertisements favouring the BJP. FOG has refuted the charges, whereas BJP has termed this act of the Congress as pathetic.
The petition filed by the Congress against the BJP and Friends of Good Governance came up for hearing on Monday at the CEO's office. Congress in its petition has charged that the FOG has published ads in favour of BJP. They have also demanded that the ad expenses should be included in the BJP's election expenses. However, FOG has refuted the charges.
By complaining against us and Congress being the only party, they have clearly indicated that whatever we are talking about is about them. And they have agreed to it. We have not named them, or we have not named the opposition. Why are other parties silent? Why are other parties who have been in the government in the past, why are they not fighting us? Or family Raj applies to many other parties. Why is it that only Congress is hitting back at us? So that is our question. But we will reply to these baseless allegations and we will file a written reply on the 4th.
Vice President of BJP, Dr. Wilfred Mesquita, represented the BJP. He has termed this act by the Congress party as pathetic.
Inclination, they have an inclination, FOG has an inclination to others. And because somebody is a member of RSS, therefore he is RSS, we are RSS, they are our friend, friend of my friend, friend of their friend. It's so vague and pathetic. The whole petition is pathetic.
Election Commission heard both the parties and has asked them to reply in writing by 2nd of March.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee एक petition file केले against Friends of Good Governance आणि BJP. त्यांचे म्हणणे आशिल्लें की जे फ्रेंड्स ऑफ गुड गव्हर्नन्साचे एडवर्टायजमेंट येतात ते सगळे एडवर्टायजमेंट BJP वटेन इन्क्लायन अशे येतात म्हणून वीथ एबंडंट प्रिकॉशन आमी दोगांकूय नोटीस काडलेली फ्रेंड्स ऑफ गुड गव्हर्नन्स एज वेल एज BJP. तांणी दोगूय जाण आयले हियरींग जालें आनी दोगांनी टायम मागून घेतला आमी रिप्लाय फायल करतात अशें म्हणून आनी ती रिप्लाय फायल करपाक आमी 2 तारीख पर्यंत हें दवरलां आणि 2 तारखेक सकाळी 11 ताका रिप्लाय फायल करतात ते आणि कदाचित त्याच दिसा हियरिंग्स हें घेवन पिटिशन डिस्पोज करतात.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Prudent Citizens Forum has dismissed reports of a rift within the group and of supporting the BJP. They say that BJP's candidate in Saligaon is spreading rumours among the electorate.
Prudent Citizens Forum has charged BJP's Saligaon candidate Dilip Parulekar for spreading rumours of a rift within the group.
आणि आम्ही Prudent Citizen Forum BJP या काँग्रेसीक NCP या MG सपोर्ट करपाचो प्रश्नूच येना. म्हाका दिसता की हो दिलीप पारोलेकार कोणाक पयशे दिवन ही नाटकां करूंक भोंवता.
The group has also come out with letters written by ESI and Edgar Ribeiro. The forum says both the letters had advised the DCP department to take into consideration the protection of Old Goa Heritage Site while preparing the Regional Plan 2021.
Old Goa Archaeological Park आनी तातूंत जिस्तान सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार ताणें म्हळां की इट इज वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायट, ताजेर थंय डेन्सिटी ऑफ कन्स्ट्रक्शन येवंक जायना, ते हेरिटेज सायट म्हणून उरूंक जाय, फ्रीजिंग ऑन ऑल कन्स्ट्रक्शन एंड मेगा प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज, हे सगळे तांणी हांगा आर्किओलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडियान चीफ टावन प्लॅनराक सुचीत केल्लें. पूण तुमकां सांगता, जेन्ना फायनल RPG आयलो तेन्ना एक दीस फादर बिस्मार्काक हांगा प्रेजेंटेशन सुद्दां केलां, तशें कांयच जावना. हांकां जाय तशें बफर झोन सुद्दां दाखयनासतना हांणी तो वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायटीच्या भोंवतणचो वाठार जो आसा सगळो सेटलमेंट करून दाखयलो.
The forum has also criticized the Congress for ambiguous promises in its manifesto. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Now we'll look at the political events in the state.
BJP candidate from Sangay, Subhash Desai, had a press briefing in Sangay. He claims that money is being distributed during night time in his constituency. He has asked Election Commission to look into the matter.
पैसे वाटपाचे काम जोरात चालू असून यावर निवडणूक आयोगाने नियंत्रण ठेवावे आणि मतदारांना फ्री अँड फेअर करून.
Independent candidate from Naveli Avartano Furtado is confident of his victory. He has lashed out at Churchill Alamau. He addressed a public meeting in Naveli.
ते दीस गेले जजीरा गेले पयल म्हणून ते पाव गेले ते पोदेरय गेले म्हण तेच जजीलाकूय सांग सुद्दां तुगे दादागिरी करपाक दीस जाले काबार. आतां आमी यूथ बसयले यूथ आनी म्हाका यूथान बसयला हांव बसलो तो यूथा लागून.
Independent candidate from Fatorda Vijay Sardesai claims that Congress has become an agent of BJP. He claims that Congress has cheated people in the state. He was speaking in a meeting held at Fatorda.
Congress BJP चे एजंट झाली हा फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात. जी पार्टी BJPच्या अगेन्स्ट झगडटा, देशभर झगडटा, ती पार्टी फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात BJPची एजंट झाल्या. आणि कितें करपाक? म्हाका उडोवपाक.
Some of the residents of Ponda belonging to Muslim community have made it clear that their community is not with a single party or an individual candidate. They claim that Muslims have a right to vote and elect whom they want. They were speaking on the backdrop of media reports claiming that Muslim community in Ponda is supporting a particular party.
Muslim community जे आसा पुण्याचे ते खंयचेच एकट्या बरोबर ना. प्रत्येक मुस्लिम मेंबर तो आपले चॉइसा प्रमाणे वोट करतलो आणि आमचे तेंका काहीच जबरदस्ती ना.
Independent candidate from Maye, Praveen Zatia, inaugurated his office in Maye. Harish Zatia inaugurated the office and also released Praveen's manifesto. Former Speaker of Goa Assembly Shambhu Bhau Bandekar was also present at the inaugural function. Independent candidate from Vasco constituency Prashant Vast addressed a public meeting. Surprisingly, there was not a single person other than Prashant on the stage. He assured many things, but there was nobody to listen to him. The chairs were empty. Many BJP workers entered Congress party in Perne constituency. They have forwarded their support to Babu Asgaonkar. Premanand Nanoskar, MGP candidate from Daboli, has appealed people to elect and vote for him. He was speaking at corner meeting in Daboli. BJP's Narendra Savoykar was also present to back Premanand. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take another short break. News from sports when we come back on the other side. Stay tuned.